going on, guys? Stoecker Race and Repair here. Today's video, we are going drag racing. Got my Moose here. First time he's been at the track. He's doing pretty good. He's used to the loud sounds and stuff. He doesn't get really scared, so that's good. But we finally have the Alias Smith & Jones Nova out here after sitting in a trailer for 10 years. This thing is out at the track again, along with my grandpa's Nova. So, pretty cool sight to see these things side by side again. It's been a long time, and I think it's just sweet. But we got to drive Alias, make sure the drum brakes are all adjusted properly, make sure they don't pull to one side or anything like that. I drove it around a little bit last night. It seemed good. So I'm gonna make a couple hits on the top end of the track, just get a 1-2 shift in, and it should be ready to roll. Alright guys, just got done taking the car on the big end. Ran pretty good, no stumbles or anything. Stayed in it, scrubbed the tires in pretty good. They softened up, so should be good to go. Only issue we had was the idle was too high, so we idled it down a little bit and then had to tighten these more. But should be good to go for time runs. end of the night, I went out second round, bought back. Don't be laughing at me. I donated 50 bucks to the track, so that was fun. But car ran pretty good. I had an issue with it. It wouldn't shift by itself. So we had the wiring wrong. But first round, it finally shifted itself and screwed me over. So went pretty slow, but second run, got a 6:38, and I went a 22 red and went a 6:35. So I didn't do good, but car ran pretty good. I mean, for its first weekend out after sitting 10 or so years, I'd say it ran pretty good. But we're gonna go home here soon. Grandpa is still in the race, so I'm gonna stay here until he wins, and yeah, I'll just keep you updated on him. What? You wanna mess with me? I'm trying to film YouTube video stuff. You wanna mess with me? Yeah. Alright. Pawpaw is top 3 cars. He had 005 light. He's dead on his number, so I'm hoping we can get the bye into the final. There's 3 cars left. And we're having a good time out here, guys. Transmission was hot still, I bet. What's up, guys? Day after the race, Sunday morning. Got home at about, I'd say 11:30 to 12 last night. It was pretty dark out. This window tint is so freaking dark in this truck. I had to roll the windows down half the time just to see the trailer. But all in all, it was good. I only had one lady tailgate me from Mapleton all the way to Peoria, so that was nice. But car ran really good. I'm super happy with how it is. We have one issue to fix. One of the fittings for right behind the fuel cell is leaking a little bit, so we'll have to fix that. Probably just run valves, make sure everything's good on it, and then we should be able to get this old girl out again, hopefully sometime this year again. I don't know if I said this last night. I kind of left after my grandpa lost. He ended up getting third place, so he did pretty dang good. Pretty good for his first race back after all winter. I'm pretty proud of him for that. It was a lot of fun, and man, I just can't wait to go drag racing again. We got dirt racing coming up next weekend. Then I believe for the next 3 weeks we'll be dirt racing, and then we have an off weekend for the dirt car, so I'll probably go drag racing that weekend too. We'll have to see, depending on what my money situation is. But man, I just had a blast. I wanted to say thank you to my buddy Evan for helping film this video. My voice is kind of gone. I was kind of screaming a little bit last night because of the how good Pawpaw was doing. But man, I just had a blast. I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Car looks so good right now. I mean, considering this thing sat in a trailer for 10 years. 10 years it sat in a trailer. To go out and just make a pass, first pass off the trailer, we had no testing prior to this, was a 638. That's pretty damn good. And the next pass went a 633. We had an issue with the shifter, like I said, and then finally got the shifter working and went to a 645 because it shifted a lot lower. We had it set lower, so we raised it up to 6,800 for the shift, and then it went a 635. So I think once we get it dialed in, the shifter part, this car is going to be a killer. But yeah, I just love this thing. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to my grandpa's house now, unload this bad girl, and I think I'm going to make another video on there too of the LS. Finally got that thing running again, so next video, watch out for that. Thanks, guys.